Okay, now let's talk about an enhancement to the cases function. What this affects is how you can update a case party and push that change down to all of the jobs that exist for that particular case, that same party. In the previous version of the system, if you've ever had a bunch of jobs set up for a case, and maybe a single party was in every single one of those jobs, but maybe one checkbox was wrong, well, you can never go back to the case and just update it to where it updates every single job party as well. You would have to delete the case party, in which case the system would ask you if you wanted to delete all the job parties, and then you would have to re-add the case party and then add it to all linked jobs. There was just no simple update capabilities. But now in this update, you can't update from the case, and I'm going to give you an example of that. So right here, I'm in a job, and we're going to look at the party setup of Harvey Specter. And if we look, hit the checkbox here, allow witness level repository is checked. So that means even if he doesn't order a transcript, we could possibly be giving him access to the transcript in RB Connect. I don't want that to happen. He needs to order if he's going to have access to it. But I don't know if that setting is just for this one job, maybe it's for all jobs, maybe it's for only a couple of the jobs. And I don't feel like looking at 126 jobs for that same case. So here's what I can do. I can go into the case. I can go to the party section. Actually, I should edit first, of course. Go to the party section. Go to Harvey. And make sure first that his case party is set up correctly. So we do have it set up correctly here. Allow witness level repository is not checked, but the job happens to be checked. So maybe I would have accidentally checked that at some point, or the job party was set up individually before I set up the case party. Who knows? But I want to fix that. So here's what I can do. This is already set correctly, so I want to push this setting down to all of my jobs. So I'm going to click on More and select Update to all linked jobs. It's going to say successful. So let's get out of here. And let's close the job party. Back at the job, let's refresh the job party now. And you'll notice now that it says allow witness level repositories unchecked. So again, that's the update capabilities from the case to push down any case parties changes to any of the existing job parties.